1月17日午前5時46分、神戸市内のコンビニエンスストアの防犯カメラが捉えた映像です。何かこう店全体が大きく円を描くようにです。
In 1995, the great Hanshin Kobe earthquake. I lived in Japan for a little while, and things come to a halt when there's a disaster. And when you're in it, it's really different from watching it on the news or hearing about it from other people. Over 5,000 people died in that quake. It was a very devastating thing. And if we can reduce the stress and strain in these moments of disaster, I think we can ward off some other issues that would come up later. When I moved here from Japan, I fully expected to be able to just go to the hardware store and ask, hey, I want to get an earthquake kit so that I'm prepared. And then I asked my friends, well, what do you have? And nobody has one. It's a real minority here in California that have a kit, and even if they do, it's outdated or they're not quite sure what's in it. Many of them have materials that aren't reliable or won't be useful in an emergency. So I think it's a step in the right direction to get your own family and your own self cared for enough that we can then think of the bigger picture of how to help others. We're putting together something called a PrepMeKit, and we've curated shelter, food that's customized to them, first aid, water that is anything that they might need, warmth, and a lot of other things too, the electronics that they need for communication, for a lifestyle that they're used to. I wanted to create something that would work for everybody, that's customizable to the individual and useful. So everything is tested by us, and it's something that we would all use. The food, it's really yummy camping food. You can actually take it camping, and it's delicious. There are actually things in the kit that don't involve flames. It's a chemical reaction from this little sachet. It immediately starts to boil the water. And if you have your food in this container, in 5 minutes, it's done. I'm mostly focusing on just getting people prepared, myself included. I want to make sure that people are okay, especially those we care about.